So coming back to the first and the most important legislation, that's the first thing you will have to see in case of any advertisement. And now when I'm saying advertisement, it is going to be in the audio visual format. Now an audio visual format has already been considered when the UCPNP was not, I won't say notified by the parliament, but definitely taken cognizance of by the ministry, and where the UCPMP guidelines have been issued to all the associations of pharma companies, making making an appeal to these associations to follow these guidelines. So the audio visual context or the advertisements have already been taken care of. Audiovisual material must be supported by all relevant printed material so that all relevant requirements of the code are complied with. Now, so where do we keep the printed material, or how much material or information can you actually disclose on the ad? And then we have to see what is the best way of complying with this. So one of the best ways of complying with this could be that on the ad itself, or on the audio visual format itself, if you can upfront write that there is more information to this which is relevant and which is important to be read, you can avail of this information by writing on a particular email ID, or maybe clicking on a certain link. If it's on a digital platform, you can give an embedded link so that the person who needs to know that information is easily available to that person. Okay, so so this is clause 3.2, which you can refer to later on as and when you get the time. But clause 3.2 says that the minimum amount of information that has to be clearly and legibly visible or must be an integral part of the promotional material, and it has 6 subclauses. So which means 6 data points or 6 types of information have to appear on the ad. And if you don't have enough space for it, it has to appear somewhere in the background, and you should be able to say on the ad itself that we have all this information ready and handy. So as and when you require, please ask for it, and that should be made readily available. So in the background of that ad, you should be having these 6 pieces of information absolutely handy. So, for example, I'm just reading one or two. Adverse reactions, warnings, and precautions for use, and relevant contraindications of the product. Now, this actually is an integral part of your drug advertisement. But because you may not have enough space to display it, this could be available as part of additional information that may be available to the